Present perfect in daily life.
Hi everyone, welcome to Speakday. Today we'll explore how to use the present perfect naturally in real conversations. You'll hear two friends catching up, notice how they use it in daily talk, and then we'll practice together.
Jake? Wow, it's been ages. How have you been?
Emma, long time no see. I've been good, just super busy with work. What about you?
Same here. I've just started a new job downtown. It's been exciting but a bit stressful.
Oh really? Congratulations. Have you liked it so far?
Yeah, I've enjoyed it a lot, though I haven't had much free time lately.
I know that feeling. I've worked almost every weekend this month.
You've always been such a hard worker.
Maybe too hard. By the way, have you seen Laura recently?
Yes, we've met a few times this year. She's moved to a new apartment.
Oh nice. I haven't talked to her since summer.
You should. She's been asking about you.
Really? Okay, I'll message her later today.
Let's take a moment to look at a few present perfect sentences from their conversation. I'll show each one on the screen with a short and clear explanation. It's been ages. We say this when a lot of time has passed. I've just started a new job. Just means the action happened very recently. Have you liked it so far? Used for unfinished time, like her job that's still happening. I haven't had much free time lately. Shows something hasn't happened recently. We've met a few times this year. This year isn't over, so it connects to now. All these examples show that the present perfect connects the past with the present. It helps you talk naturally about experiences, recent actions, and ongoing situations. Now it's your turn. Imagine you're meeting a friend you haven't seen for a while. Use at least two present perfect sentences. For example, I've started a new hobby. I haven't watched that movie yet. Speak aloud or write your own short dialogue below. Great job! You've learned how to use the present perfect naturally in real conversations. Keep practicing every day. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more lessons and join Speakday to speak with people from around the world.